Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. We are so excited to share a new tip with you today. We're going to use our Organza. This is a new fun product by Kimberbell. You can see there's a package right here, and we love the punch that it gives this pillow, don't you think?
It really gives it more elegance to have another texture on there and a bright color as well.
Yes, so we are going to get started. I'm going to let Trina show us the first part of how we are going to go about making these organza leaves.
So first what you want to do is hoop 2 layers of wash away stabilizer. And then you'll go ahead and you'll stitch your tack down line or your placement lines. And then you're going to place a layer of the purple glitter dot organza with the glitter side up so that your leaves turn out beautiful and glittery. Then you're going to place on top another layer of that wash away stabilizer. That'll give all of those satin stitches that are coming up next a nice smooth finish for your finished product.
And I see we didn't add tape, but this stuff sticks to each other, so we're pretty safe on it. Won't move on you, right?
That's right. We've stitched a lot of these and it turns out really well.
Awesome. All right, and as you can see, we've got the dark purple thread, right?
Yes.
Top and bottom. We want our bobbin thread to match the top thread. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right.
So that both sides of the leaf have the purple thread and it's a beautiful finish to your pillow.
All right. So you'll let it go all three, but for today we're just going to go ahead and show you the one, right?
Yep.
So if you noticed, it's stitched around that leaf 2 different times. We want that because we want it to be able to tack that down really well. And another, I think, purpose, don't you think, of adding the stabilizer is when you go to cut this, you've got something solid. If you were just tugging on this, you wouldn't want that to stretch, would you?
Yes, this prevents you from shifting the fabric, pulling too hard if you have 2 layers there when you're trimming around the edge of that
versus
of
just
that
the
leaf.
organza.
Yes.
So do you want to?
Organza is very unstable and it will shift a lot. So we want to have this extra layer on top.
And it's so beautiful. What a nice edge it gives you when cutting too, when you have that extra layer. So this is very important that you add that top layer of water-soluble stabilizer. So you would normally have all 3 that you would cut around, but we're going to just show you the one, right? I love that. And you can get a nice smooth cut, and it looks like you're going to not be able to see your leaf, but no worries, right? Then you'll put it back in the machine, and you finish the satin stitch around the outside edge, and then it'll finish the next step. It finishes the inside of the leaf. I'm going to show you really quickly on the back. You can see it's the exact same color. So make sure your bobbin thread matches your top thread. That's really important on this. Once your leaves are finished stitching, you simply cut around the outside extra stabilizer basically away, and when you wash it away, you can see the top layer washes away as well, and then you get that organza. You can just see right through that.
And then you can see the importance of having your bobbin match the top thread because you see through it. It curls a little bit, gives your pillow more dimension, and you've got the beautiful color front and back.
We love that. We have a question, I think.
How do you tell the bottom and the top of the organza?
Very good question. Yes, we can show you right here. When you purchase it, comes on a roll, and on the back side of the glitter, it just feels completely smooth. And when the side that actually has the glitter, you can feel the glitter. It's more of a texture. You can see it's a little bit more shimmery, and you can feel that the glitter is actually placed on top of that organza, whereas here you can feel that it's not on the back side. That's how you'll be able to tell the front from the back, is I would go more from feel. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera here, you can see the glitter shining on this side, and it's a little duller on that side, but it's still, you can see it from both sides. That's what I love about this organza. And this is just really fun. You could make all kinds of fun projects with these. And if you wanted to add a different color, look how fun you could add the red and make red fall leaves on here if you would like as well. So a lot of fun with that organza.
Yeah,
there any?
you'll definitely want to get some of this organza for so many of the projects that are coming up, and it just adds that special sparkle and more dimension to your
and
pillows.
a lot of color.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us for our Tuesday tips, and we look forward to seeing you next Tuesday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Happy sewing.